Welcome to Chatbotcasts, and thank you for tuning in today as we delve into the world of Solana blockchain. I'm excited to have with us an expert who has been deeply involved in the Solana ecosystem. Let's start with the basics. Can you explain what Solana is and how it differs from other blockchain platforms, particularly in terms of its unique features like high speed, efficiency, and the use of the proof of history consensus algorithm?
Let's dive into what makes Solana so unique and compelling. Solana is a blockchain platform designed to support the development and execution of decentralized applications, or dApps, with a strong focus on speed, efficiency, and scalability. One of the standout features of Solana is its incredibly high transaction speed. Unlike many other blockchain platforms that struggle with slow transaction times, Solana can process up to 50,000 transactions per second, which is remarkably fast. Now let's talk about the proof of history (POH) consensus algorithm, which is a key component of Solana's architecture. POH is not a consensus mechanism itself, but rather a way to create a historical record of events on the blockchain. It works by using a verifiable delay function to create a digital clock, essentially providing a timestamp for each transaction. This mechanism, combined with proof of stake (POS), allows Solana to achieve high throughput and maintain the security and integrity of the network. Another interesting aspect is Solana's network architecture, which includes several innovative components like Gulfstream, Sea-Level, Turbine, Cloudbreak, Pipeline, and Archivers. These components work together to optimize transaction processing, ensure efficient data management, and maintain the overall health of the network. In terms of efficiency, Solana's design ensures that transactions are not only fast, but also very low cost, with an average transaction fee of about 0.025 cents. This makes it highly attractive for a wide range of DeFi to NFT marketplaces, without the need for additional scaling solutions like Layer 2 networks. So, when you put it all together, Solana's unique blend of high speed, efficiency, and innovative consensus mechanisms sets it apart from other blockchain platforms and positions it as a significant player in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. It's really fascinating to see how these technologies come together to create such a robust ecosystem.
That's a great overview of Solana's unique features and architecture. Let's dive a bit deeper into the network architecture. Can you walk us through the different components of Solana's network architecture, such as proof of history, Gulfstream, Sea-Level, and how they work together to optimize transaction processing and network scalability?
Let's break down the components of Solana's network architecture, as it's really where the magic happens in terms of optimizing transaction processing and scalability. First off, we have the proof of history, which, as I mentioned earlier, acts as a digital clock. It creates a historical record of events on the blockchain by assigning timestamps to each transaction. This is crucial because it allows the network to agree on the order of events without needing a traditional consensus mechanism for every transaction. Now, let's talk about Gulfstream. This component determines when and how transactions are exchanged between nodes. Essentially, it's the mechanism that ensures transactions are propagated efficiently across the network, which is vital for maintaining high throughput. Sea-Level is another key component. It's the processing engine that assigns the order and execution of transactions. Think of it as the scheduler that makes sure everything runs smoothly and in the right order. This ensures that transactions are processed in a way that maximizes efficiency and minimizes conflicts. Turbine is responsible for defining how nodes validating transactions, validators, send and receive blocks. It optimizes the way data is transmitted, making sure that the network can handle a high volume of transactions without becoming bottlenecked. Cloudbreak is the memory mechanism that tracks participant balances and other critical data. It's designed to handle large amounts of data efficiently, which is essential for maintaining the network's performance as it scales. The pipeline component verifies each part of a transaction, ensuring that everything is valid and secure before it's executed. This adds an extra layer of security and integrity to the network. Finally, we have archivers, which are nodes that source and perpetually store validator data. This ensures that the network's history is preserved and accessible, which is important for auditing and other purposes. When you put all these components together, you get a network that is incredibly efficient, scalable, and secure. It's this synergy between proof of history, Gulfstream, Sea Level, Turbine, Cloudbreak, Pipeline, and archivers that allows Solana to achieve such high transaction speeds and low costs, making it a powerful platform for a wide range of applications. It's really impressive to see how these different parts work together seamlessly.
That's a thorough breakdown of Solana's network architecture. Let's move on to the various use cases and applications of Solana. What are some of the most promising use cases for Solana, and how are projects like Solend, MarginFi, and Radium benefiting from the platform's high throughput and low transaction costs?
Let's dive into the promising use cases for Solana and how projects like Solend, MarginFi, and Radium are leveraging its capabilities. One of the most significant use cases for Solana is in the realm of decentralized finance, DeFi. Projects like Solend, MarginFi, and Radium are thriving on Solana due to its high throughput and ultra-low transaction costs. For instance, Solend, a decentralized lending protocol, benefits greatly from Solana's ability to process transactions quickly and cheaply. This allows users to borrow and lend assets with minimal fees and almost instantaneous settlement times, which is a game changer in the DeFi space. MarginFi, another DeFi platform, utilizes Solana's high performance to offer margin trading and other advanced financial services. The low transaction costs and fast processing times enable MarginFi to provide a seamless user experience, making it more attractive to traders and investors. Radium, a popular decentralized exchange, DEX, on Solana, also capitalizes on the platform's high throughput. Radium can handle a large volume of trades without significant delays or high fees, which is crucial for maintaining liquidity and attracting users. In addition to DeFi, Solana's ecosystem is also expanding into other areas such as NFT marketplaces, gaming, and social media platforms. The platform's ability to support complex applications with high performance and low costs makes it an attractive choice for developers across various sectors. It's interesting to see how Solana's unique features are enabling a wide range of innovative applications and use cases. The ecosystem's rapid growth, with a 130% increase in project growth and a significant increase in the value of smart contracts, is a testament to its potential and the value it brings to the blockchain and cryptocurrency space.
Let's move on to the challenges and future outlook. What are some of the challenges Solana has faced recently, and how is the team addressing them to ensure the network's stability and continued growth?
When discussing the challenges and future outlook of Solana, it's important to acknowledge the hurdles the network has faced and how the team is addressing them. Recently, Solana has encountered several challenges, including network outages and congestion issues. For instance, the network has experienced a few significant outages, which have raised concerns about its reliability and stability. These outages have often been due to high transaction volumes or specific smart contract interactions that have overwhelmed the network. To address these issues, the Solana team has been working diligently to enhance the network's resilience and scalability. One of the key strategies is the continuous optimization of the network architecture, particularly the components like Gulfstream, Sea Level, and Turbine, to better handle high transaction volumes. Additionally, the team has been focusing on improving the overall security and stability of the network. This includes regular audits and updates to the protocol, as well as engaging with the community through hackathons and other events to encourage innovation and feedback. These community-driven initiatives, as mentioned earlier, have been instrumental in identifying and solving potential issues before they become major problems. Looking ahead, the future of Solana appears promising. The team is committed to further enhancing the user experience, particularly in terms of usability and accessibility. There is a strong emphasis on building more intuitive interfaces and tools that can make Solana's powerful capabilities more accessible to a broader audience. Moreover, the integration with other blockchains and the expansion into new use cases, such as gaming and social media, are expected to drive further growth. The ecosystem's ability to support complex applications with high performance and low costs positions it well for continued adoption and innovation. It's exciting to see how Solana is navigating these challenges and setting itself up for long-term success. The combination of technological innovation, community engagement, and a clear vision for the future makes Solana a compelling player in the blockchain space.
Let's dive into system and community. Can you discuss the significance of the Solana ecosystem and how it supports developers, as well as the resources and tools available for those looking to build on the Solana blockchain?
The Solana ecosystem is indeed a vibrant and supportive environment for developers, which is a crucial aspect of its success. Let's think about it this way. The ecosystem is designed to be highly accessible and developer-friendly. Firstly, Solana provides a wide range of resources and tools that make it easier for developers to build and deploy applications. For instance, developers can code in popular languages like C, C++, and Rust, which reduces the learning curve and makes the platform more appealing to a broader range of developers. The community itself is very active and supportive. Solana regularly hosts hackathons and other community events that encourage innovation and collaboration. These events, as mentioned earlier, are not traditional hackathons, but rather longer-term projects that allow developers to introduce their products to the community and get feedback. This approach fosters a sense of community and helps in identifying and solving potential issues early on. Additionally, the Solana team has put a lot of emphasis on providing extensive documentation, tutorials, and developer tools. This includes the Solana CLI, which simplifies the process of setting up and managing a Solana node, as well as various SDKs and libraries that make it easier to interact with the blockchain. The ecosystem also benefits from its open and inclusive nature. Developers can easily contribute to the platform, suggest improvements, and participate in governance decisions. This openness ensures that the platform evolves based on the needs and feedback of its users. It's really impressive to see how Solana has managed to create such a robust and supportive developer ecosystem. The combination of strong community support, extensive resources, and a developer-friendly environment makes Solana an attractive choice for anyone looking to build innovative blockchain applications.
Can you recommend some key resources or tools that a beginner developer should look into when starting to build on Solana?
When getting started with Solana, there are several key resources and tools that can be incredibly helpful for beginner developers. First, I would recommend checking out the official Solana SPL governance and SPL governance course crates on crates.io, which provide a comprehensive set of libraries and tools for interacting with the Solana blockchain. These resources are well documented and make it easier to manage and interact with Solana nodes. Another essential tool is the Solana CLI, command line interface. This tool simplifies the process of setting up and managing a Solana node, and it's a great starting point for anyone looking to deploy and manage their own applications on the Solana network. For those who are new to blockchain development, the Solana SPL Guide is a fantastic resource. It offers a step-by-step guide on how to build, deploy, and manage applications on Solana, covering everything from setting up your development environment to deploying smart contracts. Additionally, Solana's community is very active and supportive. Joining the Solana Discord or participating in their community forums can connect you with other developers, where you can get help, share knowledge, and stay updated on the latest developments. Solana also hosts regular hackathons and community events, which are great opportunities to learn from others, get feedback on your projects, and contribute to the ecosystem. These events are often online and span several weeks, allowing you to work on your projects at your own pace. It's really important to leverage these resources to get the most out of the Solana ecosystem. With the right tools and a supportive community, building on Solana can be a very rewarding experience.
What would be your advice for someone who is just starting to explore Solana, whether they are a developer, an investor, or simply curious about the technology?
For someone just starting to explore Solana, whether you're a developer, an investor, or simply curious about the technology, my advice would be to dive in with an open mind and a willingness to learn. If you're a developer, I would recommend starting with the official Solana documentation and the SPUL guide. These resources provide a step-by-step guide on how to build, deploy, and manage applications on Solana. Joining the Solana Discord or participating in their community forums can also connect you with other developers where you can get help, share knowledge, and stay updated on the latest developments. For investors, it's crucial to understand the underlying technology and the ecosystem's growth potential. Look into the various use cases, such as DeFi projects like Solana, MarginFi, and Radium, and how they benefit from Solana's high performance and low costs. Keeping an eye on community events and hackathons can also give you insights into the innovative projects being built on the platform. For those who are just curious, I would suggest exploring the Solana website and reading up on the unique features like proof of history and the network architecture. Participating in online communities or listening to podcasts like this one can provide a deeper understanding of how Solana works and its potential impact on the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. It's really important to engage with the community and leverage the available resources. Solana's ecosystem is very supportive, and there's always something new to learn. Whether you're looking to build, invest, or just understand the technology better, Solana offers a lot of opportunities for growth and innovation. So don't hesitate to dive in and explore what Solana has to offer. It's an exciting time for this platform, and being part of it from the early stages can be very rewarding.
How do community events, such as hackathons, contribute to the identification and solution of potential issues in the Solana network, and what impact have these events had on the platform's development so far?
The role of community events, particularly hackathons, in driving innovation and addressing potential issues on the Solana network is truly pivotal. These events are not your typical 48-hour hackathons. Instead, they are more like product competitions or launches that span several weeks, allowing participants to develop and refine their projects over a longer period. During these hackathons, developers from all over the world come together to build and showcase their projects. This collaborative environment fosters innovation and encourages feedback, which is crucial for identifying and solving potential issues early on. For instance, when developers work on their projects, they often encounter real-world problems that might not have been anticipated by the core team. By sharing these experiences and solutions within the community, everyone benefits, and the platform as a whole becomes more robust. The impact of these events has been significant. They have led to the creation of numerous successful projects, such as Solana, MarginFi, and Radium, which have become cornerstone applications in the Solana ecosystem. These projects not only leverage Solana's high performance and low costs, but also contribute back to the community by providing valuable feedback and insights. Moreover, these community-driven initiatives help in building a sense of ownership and engagement among developers. When developers feel invested in the platform, they are more likely to contribute to its growth and stability. This collective effort has been instrumental in addressing issues like network outages and congestion, making Solana a more reliable and scalable platform. In summary, the community events and hackathons have been a driving force behind Solana's innovation and growth. They provide a platform for developers to innovate, collaborate, and solve real-world problems, ultimately making Solana a stronger and more resilient blockchain ecosystem. It's really inspiring to see how community engagement can propel a platform forward in such a meaningful way.
Given the significant impact of community events on Solana's development, how do you envision the integration of these events with other blockchain communities or platforms to foster greater interoperability and collaboration in the future?
The integration of Solana's community events with other blockchain communities or platforms is an area that holds a lot of promise for fostering greater interoperability and collaboration. As Solana continues to grow, it's likely that we'll see more cross-platform events and collaborations. Imagine hackathons that bring together developers from Solana, Ethereum, and other blockchain platforms to work on projects that leverage the strengths of each ecosystem. This could lead to the development of interoperable solutions that allow seamless interactions between different blockchains, enhancing the overall user experience and expanding the possibilities for decentralized applications. For instance, a hackathon focused on cross-chain DeFi applications could result in innovative solutions that allow users to borrow assets on one blockchain and lend them on another, all while maintaining the security and efficiency that Solana is known for. This kind of collaboration would not only drive innovation, but also help in building a more interconnected and robust blockchain ecosystem. Additionally, these integrated events could facilitate knowledge sharing and best practices between different communities. Developers from various platforms could learn from each other's experiences, share solutions to common problems, and contribute to a more unified and advanced blockchain landscape. In the future, we might also see more formal partnerships between Solana and other blockchain platforms to host joint events, which would further solidify the bonds between these communities and drive collective progress. It's really exciting to think about how these collaborations could shape the future of blockchain technology and make it more accessible and powerful for everyone involved.
How do you see Solana's integration with other blockchain platforms, such as Ethereum or Polkadot, impacting the broader DeFi and NFT ecosystems in the near future?
The integration of Solana with other blockchain platforms, such as Ethereum or Polkadot, has the potential to significantly impact the broader DeFi and NFT ecosystems in several ways. Firstly, interoperability between these platforms could lead to a more seamless and efficient user experience. For instance, if Solana integrates with Ethereum, users could leverage the high transaction speeds and low costs of Solana while still accessing the vast array of DeFi applications available on Ethereum. This would enable more complex and sophisticated financial transactions that span multiple blockchains, enhancing the overall liquidity and functionality of the DeFi space. In the NFT realm, interoperability could allow for the creation of cross-chain marketplaces where NFTs can be bought, sold, and traded across different blockchains. This would expand the reach and value of NFTs, making them more accessible and valuable to a broader audience. Moreover, the sharing of best practices and technologies between these platforms could drive innovation. For example, Solana's proof of history and high-performance architecture could complement Ethereum's robust smart contract ecosystem, while Polkadot's interoperability framework could facilitate seamless interactions between multiple blockchains. It's interesting to consider how these integrations could also address some of the current limitations in the DeFi and NFT spaces, such as high transaction fees and scalability issues. By leveraging the strengths of each platform, we could see a more robust, efficient, and interconnected blockchain ecosystem that benefits users across the board. In the near future, we might see more joint initiatives and collaborations that focus on building interoperable solutions. This could include joint hackathons, cross-platform working groups, and even formal partnerships aimed at enhancing the interoperability and usability of these blockchain platforms. Overall, the potential for cross-platform collaborations is vast, and it's exciting to think about how these integrations will shape the future of DeFi and NFTs.
How do you envision the technical challenges and hurdles that Solana might face when integrating with other blockchain platforms, and what strategies could be employed to overcome these challenges?
When considering the integration of Solana with other blockchain platforms, such as Ethereum or Polkadot, there are several technical challenges and hurdles that need to be addressed. One of the primary challenges is ensuring compatibility between the different consensus mechanisms and network architectures of the involved blockchains. For instance, Solana's proof of history and proof of stake mechanisms are quite unique and might not align seamlessly with Ethereum's proof of work or Polkadot's nominated proof of stake. This discrepancy could require significant adjustments to ensure smooth interoperability. Another challenge is the issue of scalability. While Solana is designed to handle high transaction volumes, integrating with other blockchains that may have different scalability profiles could introduce bottlenecks. For example, if Solana integrates with a blockchain that has slower transaction times, it could impact the overall performance of the interconnected system. Security is also a critical concern. Ensuring that the integration does not compromise the security of either blockchain is paramount. This involves rigorous testing and auditing to prevent potential vulnerabilities that could arise from the interaction between different blockchain protocols. To overcome these challenges, several strategies can be employed. First, there needs to be a collaborative effort between the development teams of the involved blockchains to standardize protocols and ensure compatibility. This could involve the creation of interoperability standards or frameworks that facilitate seamless interactions. Second, leveraging existing interoperability solutions, such as cross-chain bridges or Layer 2 protocols, could help in mitigating some of the technical hurdles. For example, using a bridge to transfer assets between Solana and Ethereum could simplify the process and reduce the risk of compatibility issues. Finally, extensive testing and community involvement are crucial. Hosting joint hackathons or community events where developers from different blockchains come together to work on interoperable solutions can help identify and solve potential issues early on. It's clear that while there are challenges, the potential benefits of interoperability make it well worth the effort. By addressing these technical hurdles through collaboration, standardization, and innovative solutions, Solana and other blockchain platforms can create a more interconnected and robust ecosystem that enhances the overall user experience.
Given the importance of community-driven initiatives in solving interoperability issues, how do you see the integration of Solana with other blockchain platforms such as Ethereum or Polkadot impacting the broader DeFi and NFT ecosystems in the near future?
The integration of Solana with other blockchain platforms, such as Ethereum or Polkadot, has the potential to revolutionize the broader DeFi and NFT ecosystems in several profound ways. Firstly, interoperability will enable a more seamless and efficient user experience. For instance, users will be able to leverage the high transaction speeds and low costs of Solana while still accessing the vast array of DeFi applications available on Ethereum. This could lead to more complex and sophisticated financial transactions that span multiple blockchains, enhancing the overall liquidity and functionality of the DeFi space. In the NFT realm, cross-chain marketplaces will become a reality, allowing NFTs to be bought, sold, and traded across different blockchains. This will expand the reach and value of NFTs, making them more accessible and valuable to a broader audience. The sharing of best practices and technologies between these platforms will also drive innovation. Solana's proof of history and high-performance architecture could complement Ethereum's robust smart contract ecosystem, while Polkadot's interoperability framework could facilitate seamless interactions between multiple blockchains. Moreover, these integrations could address some of the current limitations in the DeFi and NFT spaces, such as high transaction fees and scalability issues. By leveraging the strengths of each platform, we could see a more robust, efficient, and interconnected blockchain ecosystem that benefits users across the board. In the near future, we might see more joint initiatives and collaborations that focus on building interoperable solutions. This could include joint hackathons, cross-platform working groups, and even formal partnerships aimed at enhancing the interoperability and usability of these blockchain platforms. It's exciting to think about how these integrations will shape the future of DeFi and NFTs, making them more accessible, efficient, and powerful for everyone involved.
Given the detailed discussion on the resources available for developers, let's move towards the conclusion. Can you summarize the key points we've discussed today and provide any final thoughts or advice for our listeners who are interested in exploring Solana further?
To summarize, we've had a comprehensive discussion on what makes Solana a unique and powerful blockchain platform. Let's recap the key points. Solana stands out for its high transaction speeds, processing up to 50,000 transactions per second, which is significantly faster than other major blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. This is achieved through its innovative network architecture, including components like proof of history, POH, Gulfstream, Sea-level, Turbine, Cloudbreak, Pipeline, and Archivers. These components work together to optimize transaction processing, ensure efficient data management, and maintain the network's performance and security. The use of POH, combined with proof of stake, POS, allows Solana to achieve high throughput and maintain the security and integrity of the network. The platform's ultra-low transaction costs, averaging around 0.0025, make it highly attractive for various applications, including DeFi, NFT marketplaces, and more. We also discussed the promising use cases for Solana, particularly in DeFi with projects like Solana, MarginFi, and Radium, which benefit from the platform's high performance and low costs. The ecosystem's rapid growth and expansion into areas like gaming and social media are further indicators of its potential. Despite facing challenges such as network outages and congestion, the Solana team is actively working to enhance the network's resilience and scalability. Community engagement through hackathons and other events has been instrumental in driving innovation and solving potential issues. For developers, Solana offers a supportive ecosystem with extensive resources, including the Solana CLI, SPL Guide, and active community forums. These tools and the community's support make it easier for developers to build and deploy applications on the Solana blockchain. In conclusion, Solana's unique blend of high speed, efficiency, and innovative consensus mechanisms positions it as a significant player in the blockchain space. For those interested in exploring Solana further, I would advise diving into the official documentation, participating in community events, and leveraging the resources available to get the most out of the ecosystem. It's an exciting time for Solana, and with its strong community support and continuous innovation, it's definitely a platform worth keeping an eye on. If you're a developer or just curious about blockchain technology, Solana offers a lot of opportunities for growth and innovation. So don't hesitate to dive in and explore what Solana has to offer.
Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update, and visit us at www.chatbotcasts.com to explore more exciting episodes. See you next time, and happy listening.